Okay. Um, Here I'm going to talk about weighted average method. Okay. You folks all have the questions, and we know that transfer hour is this, and endings is this. Okay. Um, Not like the FIFO method. We don't need to worry about beginnings, start and complete, and endings. We don't need to figure out the numbers for these three groups. We just, for weighted average, we just need to worry about transfer hour and endings. Okay, and that's what we are doing here. Let me just copy this one right over here. Okay, and complete and transfer out. And here I give it a new name. I said complete and transfer out. But basically, you should know that when we talk about transfer out, it has to be completed. Okay, and that's why I do it complete and transfer out. Actually, it's just transfer out, and ending is this much. Okay, now we need to follow um, the schedule here, the percentage. Okay, we know that like for the transfer out, we know that it's 100% completed. So we just need to follow that. Bring the 102,000 over here and bring that over here. Okay, so for materials and for conversion costs, they're all 100% completed. For the endings, it's gonna be it's actually 30,000. Okay, and for the materials part, we know that it's 80% completed. So this one is just 30,000 times 80%. Okay, and this one is gonna be 30,000 times 40%. Okay, right. This is exactly what happened here. Okay. In order let's make it easier for our calculation in Excel. I just like give you the final numbers here. Okay. Okay. Now, when you talk about equipment units, okay, then it's going to be the total of these two account. Okay. Total of these two numbers, and what we need to do is just sum. Okay, this two number right here. Okay, let me put another name. I say it's EU, equipment units. Okay, so equipment units for materials is the sum of transfer out and endings for materials. For conversion costs, this is the transfer out, the sum of the transfer out and endings. Okay, but make sure you know that these four numbers are equipment units. Okay, and since this one is 100% complete, actually what we do is just use 102 times 1 or times 100%. Okay, you're gonna get the same thing. Okay, so that's why I just bring the 102,000. Okay, up here. Okay, and also for the conversion cost is also 100% completed. Okay, and I use 102,000 times 100%. I got this number. So I sum up this two. I get EU for materials. I get EU for conversion cost. Now, when you talk about the cost per EU, okay, per equipment units for materials, we know that the beginning is this much. Current cost for this period is this. For beginnings is this. Current cost for this period is this much. And in order to get EU, what we need to do is sum up this two number. Okay. And divided by equipment units. Okay. Equipment units. Let me just copy the formula all the way. And again, I need to sum up the beginnings and current costs divided by the equipment units. That's why we call it weighted average. Okay, we include the beginnings, the cost of the beginnings when we calculate cost per EU. Okay, when you talk about FIFO, it's different. Sorry. Okay, we don't include beginnings, cost of the beginning inventory to calculate the cost per EU. Okay. All right. Finally, we got this true number 2102 and 30.42. Okay. Now, The last part, we need to calculate the transfer out, cost of goods for transfer out, and cost of goods for endings. Okay, so this is what we are gonna do. Okay, for the first one, okay, we need to find out the transfer out. Okay, for the materials part, is actually this. Okay, the equivalent units for materials. Okay, for the conversion cost part is gonna be this times the equivalent units of conversion costs. Okay, and we got to sum up this two number. Okay, and this is gonna be our final answer for the transfer out, cost of goods transfer out. Okay, I'm gonna highlight this one. Okay, so basically it's the sum of the costs, okay, related to materials and the costs related to conversion. Okay, all right, we're going to do the same thing for ending. Okay, we just use the equivalent units times the materials. Okay, EU for materials. Okay, and using the equivalent units, the cost per EUs times the endings. Okay, equivalent units for conversion cost. Okay, and that's what we got. And we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, and actually this one is the sum of this two number. Okay, and that will be our cost of goods for ending inventory.